Hi guys, welcome back to Business Map Kitchen. Today I'll be doing for you a chicken broth just for when you're feeling under the weather. So here I have some chicken that I've already washed and cut, and I'm using the bony part of the chicken. I have some pumpkin that I've already washed and peeled and diced, and I have some garlic. I'm going to add some water to this, and I'm going to put this to boil until everything is soft. Then I'm going to add a few pieces of yam, few Irish, and some spinach, and that will be my chicken broth for when you're having the flu or when it's a rainy day and you're just feeling a little bit under the weather. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I've added the water and now I'm going to leave this to boil. I'm going to be doing my spinach, so I'm going to be kneading my flour now. Then I'll peel my yam and Irish and wash those, and then I'll add after this is boiling. Alright guys, so this is the flour for the spinach. I've added some salt. I've already washed my hands and I have my water ready, so now I'll be doing my spinach. Some people don't like to use their hands to knead the flour. Some people use a spoon, but I don't like using a spoon, so I'll be using my hands. So I'm adding my water gradually and I'm mixing my flour to it. Alright guys, my flour is already kneaded, so this is the dough. I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to move on now to peeling my yam and my Irish and washing them. So I'm going to set this aside. So guys, here I have already washed and peeled my yam, so now I'm going to be cutting them to add to my soup, or better my broth. Cutting them small because I just want some big for clean. So now guys, I'm finished, so I'll be waiting until the pot is boiling and then I'm going to add these to it. So let us go and check out the pot now. So the chicken and the pumpkin is boiling along with the garlic. So Irish first before the yam, because this yam is soft, so I'm adding the Irish first before I add the yam and the spinach. Alright guys, so the pumpkin is all boiled out and the spinach as well. Now guys, I've added the spinners and I've added the yam, so I'm going to leave this to cook, and then I'll be adding some chicken noodle or cock soup and a little seasoning. So I'll leave this to cook for about 5 more minutes. So guys, now I'm going to be adding my cock soup. Just remember, it's just a little soup, it's nothing fancy. It's a rainy day and we feel for something hot, so we didn't have a lot of ingredients and we didn't want to go to the supermarket, so we're just using what we have now to make this broth on this rainy day. So you can add whatever you want in it. I'm going to be adding a green pepper and some scallion also. So guys, I've added my scallion, my green pepper and a little basil. As I said, you can add whatever you want to add, but this is the finished product now. Hope you guys like it. I'm going to enjoy my soup now. Thanks for watching.